This tutorial is a continuation of the Realty Juggler demo on how to get your data from a lead form and gravity forms inside your website over to Realty Juggler. So the video we just did, we'll just take it over to a general category in Lead Juggler called Call Now. But what if we want to add a specific category to it? For instance, if they come in from this button, see this house today, I want them to go to their own specific category. So the first thing we need to do is set up the category in Realty Juggler. So to do that, we just need to go to Settings, Preferences, click on the Contacts tab, and we're going to add the category here. So I'm going to call that, let's call it See House for the See This House button. And then we need to click Done, so it saves it. So now we need to go to our forms to actually create that notification so Realty Juggler will get that data the way you want it. So the first thing we need to do, when you click over to Forms, you notice there's 12 different forms in kind of a random order. So we need to figure out which form is the one we need to add that notification to. I think it's number 5. So the easiest way to tell is just to go into the dashboard and go to Profound MLS and click on the top one here. And I can see that the See This House ID is number 5. So I'm going to go back up to Forms. And we need to find the one with the ID statement, which is right here. That is number 5. So I can see that it's this one right here. So I'm going to click Edit. And we're going to add a notification. We're going to make a new one. And we're going to call this the See House. Well, let's just call it See House for the See House button. The other thing we need to do is to get the email address that's unique to you, so that this is going to tell the form where to send the data into your Realty Juggler. So we're going to come back here, paste this in, and we're going to do first name, last name, and we're going to do that here too. Actually here we just put email, and the same thing here too, email. Subject would be new See House Lead, and you can call this whatever you want. That really is not specific. And now we're going to come over, and this is where we put the variables in. This is going to be the same process as the last one. Do first name on its own line, space, last name, email, space, and then we'll do work phone again. Phone, there we go. And then category, we're going to call See House. And that's the one we created over here. Whoop. And let's go back to preferences. That's the one we have right here, See House. So that'll tell Realty Juggler how to handle that. So, all right, let's go back to notifications. We still need to put in these variables just like before. These are the special tags that Realty Juggler needs to be able to pull that data in. So let's go over to back to our form. So we got first name, colon, space, last name, colon, space, capital E, capital M, email, colon, space, work, phone, colon, space, and then this is actually set up right, category, See House, because we're using, it's right here, category, space. So let's come back to the notification. We need to save it because I've made the mistake of not saving it and then wondered why my form didn't work. Let's refresh this page so it accounts for the change. And let's see this house today. So we'll do and we'll submit. Okay, so now we need to go over to Realty Juggler. We'll take a look at the prospects. Oh, and then we come over to, then we go into the C house category, and it's right here. So it also pulls it in under call now. So that's how you do it. Pretty simple. If you need any assistance on this, let us know. If it's probably more involved, better to get just to contact Realty Juggler direct, or they've got some really awesome tutorial videos. You'll see this YouTube button right here, and it's very comprehensive. I can say I've used it myself thoroughly without really having to call them a whole lot. So that's it for now. Stay tuned for additional tips and tutorials from iFound Agent. Thank you.